Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use ghost fruit full guide. Start by identifying ripe ghost fruit by its translucent skin and slight softness, then wash it gently under cold water. Cut carefully with a sharp knife, scoop out seeds if desired, and taste a small amount first to gauge heat. Pair with dairy or sugar to temper spice, store in airtight container, and always label clearly before refrigeration. Ghost fruit packs intense flavor and heat, so measure portions carefully when cooking. Use gloves to prevent skin irritation and avoid touching eyes after handling. Start by adding tiny amounts to sauces, salsas, or marinades, then increase gradually to reach the desired kick. Balance heat with acidic or sweet elements like lime or honey. For desserts, create small infused syrups and always label any leftovers to warn others about spiciness. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy reading while tasting new flavors, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for comfortable, glare-free reading anywhere. It's lightweight, has long battery life, and pairs well with kitchen breaks. If you found this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Also check the description for the Kindle link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Preserving ghost fruit extends usefulness and controls heat for later recipes. Freeze whole or sliced pieces on a tray, then transfer to airtight bags to prevent freezer burn. For long-term, make a sugar or vinegar infusion to capture flavor while reducing volatility. Drying is an option for mild heat concentrates and easy storage. Clearly mark containers with date and spice level, and rotate stock so older items are used first to maintain quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.